Hello everyone, my name is Zaid Sheikh and I love sneakers. Influencers, actors, celebrities, dancers, rappers, हर किसी को हम देखते हैं. They are in Air Jordan 1s. Everyone wants Air Jordan 1s. All these new kids or the upcoming guys, girls, everyone needs Air Jordan 1s. And few of the guys, few of the people, they buy the Air Jordan 1 mids. And the mids, when these so-called Air Jordan 1 high collectors, when they see these guys wearing Air Jordan 1 mids, they bully them. And the Air Jordan 1 mid silhouette is the most hated silhouette in the sneaker community. And today we are going to decode why the Air Jordan 1 mids are so hated. हर हफ्ते 1 से 3 एयर जॉर्डन 1 मिड आते हैं इन द इंडियन मार्केट लाइक ऑन SK, VNV and on the Nike sneakers website and also on Myntra now. Everyone is buying these Jordans. These Jordans are reselling and some of them are on the shelf. On an average, एक Air Jordan 1 mid का resale is around 500 to 1500 above the retail value of the Air Jordan 1 mid. Air Jordan 1 mid की इतनी सप्लाई है and there are so many people they are buying Air Jordan 1 mid. मगर इतना हीट क्यों मिल रहा है? We will talk about the color way. आप कोई भी Air Jordan 1 mid को पकड़ो, which is a GR, a general release. आप वो जूते को देखोगे, you will see कि इसकी कलर ब्लॉकिंग तो इतनी अतरंगी है. You will clearly think कि एक 5 साल के बच्चे ने कुछ भी कलर डाल दिया है on the sneaker. Nike is not going to give you the big slice of the pie. They will give you a mid size of a pie. Talking about affordability. एक Air Jordan 1 mid is around 10,000 की MRP पे and mostly you can buy on MRP and mostly you can buy Air Jordan 1's mid on MRP or close to that. उतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती है because Air Jordan 1 high is for 14,000 on retail and on an average उसकी resale value जाती है 20 to 25 या 1.5 लाख. People hate Air Jordan 1 mid because of the silhouette of the Air Jordan 1 mid. Air Jordan 1 mid is mid and the Air Jordan 1 high is slightly taller, an inch or 2 inches taller than the Air Jordan 1 mid. People look at the Air Jordan 1 mid and they say, the shape of the sneaker doesn't do justice for me, man. Like, the sneaker is so dead. But they will like the Air Jordan 1 high because they will say, bro, the silhouette, it is so amazing. You know, it's mind-blowing कि 1985 का जूता आज तक हम पहनते हैं. There are so many people with so many thoughts and they try to bully these guys. If you're a student or a person who really wants to get into Air Jordan 1s but don't want to spend crazy money, you can play safe and buy the Air Jordan 1 mid to, just get to know about what the sneaker does for you. Is it going with your style or not and stuff. If you're buying an Air Jordan 1 mid and people are trying to hate on you on your sneaker, it is your sneaker. You are supposed to caress your sneaker. You are supposed to love your sneaker, to wear it. And a sneaker and you have this bond and relationship. Like, if any third person comes to you and say your sneakers are trash, that sneaker is like a kid to you. So you respect your sneaker. Don't respect the third person who's trying to hate on your kid. My sneakers are like my kids. Like that's literally the craziest line I have ever written on a script. But my sneakers are like my kids. I love to caress them. I like to wear them and enjoy them. An honorable list of the Air Jordan 1 mids which I truly love. Like पूरा का पूरा fearless collection of the Air Jordan 1 mid. Like amazing shoes. The Melody Ehsani Air Jordan 1 mid. The Blue the Great Air Jordan 1 mids. The Clot Air Jordan 1 mids. Mason Chateau Air Jordan 1 mids. And fun fact about these Air Jordan 1 mids, the collaborative Air Jordan 1 mids are more expensive than the resale value of the Air Jordan 1 highs. That is just so crazy. मतलब Air Jordan 1 mids as a GR एक lame shoe आपको दिखेगा, but as a collaboration it is art. What are your thoughts about the Air Jordan 1 mids? Like, should we keep hating the Air Jordan 1 mids, or should we do this thing like hashtag justice for Air Jordan 1 mids? Tell us your opinions, your thoughts about the Air Jordan 1 mids and the collaboration. Follow me, Zed Chick, and Offkick Sync on Instagram, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!